Hello and welcome. I'm Karthik, and today in this video we are going to learn how to make a cookie icon. So for this purpose I'm going to take a circle, Eclipse tool. So the shortcut of Eclipse tools is L. So holding Shift and Alt at a time and drag it like this, okay, and some thicker line, okay, and now change the color of fill stroke, something like this one, this one, cookie. So now no stroke, so it's like this, and there's a lighter one, so this one. Now we need some bite, so for making this bite, this one and this one, and you put outline stroke. Everything should be outline stroke, Control and Y. This is outline stroke, okay. Now you can clearly see here what I'm trying to make. So Control Y again, so it's everything like this. And now with the help of shape builder or pathfinder tool, same kind of thing, hitting Alt, and here let's say mistake, so it should be like this, okay. Now cut this thing, this unnecessary part, okay. Now it's like this. Now copy and paste it back. So here you can see, clearly see a little bit of darker version, some more darker, it can be visible. So this one, this should be like this, okay. Now polygon tool, with the help of polygon tool we are going to make something like this and hit a couple of times, okay. Now copy, send it to paste it back, copy, push it back, and it's a bigger one, okay. Do one thing, not like this, with the help of pen tool, draw one stroke here, one stroke here, sorry, one stroke like this, okay. And you can understand what I'm going to do here with the help of shape builder tool. Let's cut like this, and it's something like the shadow of this cookies elements. Put it over here and put one is over here, then so put over here, and another, put it over here, small size. Okay, no problem, small size. Okay, now put it, sorry, control, group it, everything, group this, and rounding. Okay, now so it's like this, sorry, group it, and now okay, round this one. Okay, so it's sorry, and group, sorry, control and 0, fit this artboard, group this one, and sorry, okay, selecting and group it, hit so here, turn it to like this, and some, you can make a brush, okay, so it's the something like this, the cookie. Okay, now some particles like things. Okay, sorry, this kind of thing. Okay, and now copy, paste it to back, send little bit of a line, and so it's like this, look like this. So I'm not happy with this thing, I'm just putting it, so it's make like this, and move, rotate, okay, and send it back like this, copy, paste it to back, and now okay, cut this one, group, let's see, and cut this unnecessary part here. Now okay, so do one thing, I'm just going to view this snap to pixel is not needed here, so it's for this matter, it's disturbing and annoying. Okay, now go to like this. Okay, now send it to back. Okay, send it to back. Now this one. Okay, now here I'm trying to make curve like this, so it's the same kind of thing. I'm going to make a curve over here. So the final thing is this, group it everything, and here this cookie icon is ready. Okay, see, so this is the short class. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.